All right, we're about to go live for YOLO Hour. That is, we are on Wall Street Sizing Up. StockTrade.tips is the sponsor, and there is YouTube. That's right. You only live once, as most of you probably know. It's exactly what it stands for. So basically, what we do is we just chase the rockets in the last hour of trading. We do it on every trading day. And with that said, as I get my board all straightened out, we should be good to go. I chase rockets on the Robinhood app, and then I track them on my trading view. I've got to do paper trading because I'm going to rack up a big tax bill is what my CPA says. I cannot write off a lot of the stocks that I trade because I trade them so often. So with that said, let's get this party started. We are moving. We're going. We like to call the by the way on. Let's look at the markets really quick before we get started. We are I wouldn't say we're gapping up. We are directionally sideways, but we have had three 15-minute candles and or 10-minute candles, and looks like the market's starting to climb. It's been very, very mixed today, but we've had some really good success on the insiders that we are trading today. I'll get to those in a minute. Let's spin the wheel and let's get going. You'll see I've lost $31. That is for options. If you want a guy for options, I am not him. So with that said, let's rock and roll. Looking at, as we move down here, we got DMY grinding up hard. Could turn into a rocket so high up. Was a rocket at some point. Now it's falling back, but it could easily turn into one here. And it's a grinder. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one. DMY. DMYI, right? Yep. And it is grinding up. We'll take a little position. We don't have a lot of slippage here. Let's go with the 100 shares. We'll see if we can make a little money today. A little pizza and beer money is all we're going for, people. That's it. As more people join, here we go. We're going to spin the wheel again. We just took our first position, DMYI. It's more of a grinder. It's not exactly a rocket, so understand that. We are going to see some grinders. Here's CERT grinding hard, up 7%. Has been a very, very good stock for us. Continues to grind up. We're seeing a lot of grinders, in fact, right now. Sunrun is up 2%, but grinding higher. MVIS might turn into a rocket, and I'm going to jump on it as well. MVIS. Let's jump on it. We're going to do slippage is not big here on this one. We'll do 50 shares, and we're going to get moving here. So we are already down in YOLO hour, but that's okay. That's okay. As people join here, they'll understand. We've got Mercy, James, we got Jim Cooper, we got Steve, we got a lot of, we got our first rocket, GEVO is going parabolic. We are on it, GEVO, on it. I'm buying, it's got a tight, let's go 50 here as well, 50 shares. Boom, let's go. Let's get it, guys. Give me that upstairs. It looks like it's clear the tower. We'll see. It's got to clear the intraday high to be a rocket. GEVO looks like it may not have cleared it. It might have been a little bit early on that one. VHI looks like it wants to pump in this last hour, a little YOLO hour. A lot of people like to call it power hour. That's what we had it named before, but not anymore. We like to call it YOLO because that's exactly what we're doing. So we're taking GEVO out. VIH has turned back. So seeing quite a few grinders. It is a decent day, better than yesterday. Even yesterday we saw about 3 or 2 legit rockets, but we took on some grinders. I know Steven made $35 yesterday, and Joseph on last Thursday, he made $4.50. So we could have a rocket on Audio Eye here. It's got low volume. It needs to clear this tower first. So we will come back to it, continue to spin the wheel. Jim Cooper is there. Hey, made $130 in your life. Yeah, life was a good YOLO call. Speaking of that, did you see what I did yesterday? DBI is still grinding up. So we've got this has been about, so if you were still watching this, we got about 4 or 5% the first day. We got another 4%, almost 4% today. Yesterday's call up 3% today. The ACT was our YOLO. I think it got up to 1.5, and then BRP was our big call, and that's up. I think that got up to 6%. So just letting you guys know, we are doing well today, even the calls from the shitty day yesterday. All right, let's continue to spin the wheel. Jim, great job, brother. If you see any rockets, let me know, because we are going to rock and roll today. I feel really good. I'm gonna start betting. I'm paper trading because of my taxes, but what I'm telling you is that today might be that day that I'm gonna trade. In fact, it is gonna be all right. Joby is a strong. We're gonna go Joby, JOBY. We're gonna buy 50 shares there, and the spread is 7 cents. That's not good. We're gonna get a little slippage here because I'm doing a market buy. That's what I got to do. I'm moving fast, but I think the Joby. Here's what I think today. Like, we're in a little bit of a micro uptrend intraday, if you would. Look, we're gonna see a lot of these, and we're gonna have a lot of them turn back if the market starts to turn back. But looks like we could have a very, very good last hour, the YOLO hour as we'd like to call it, and it could get wild today. So hang in there, and we're gonna see what we can do. NAOV might turn into a rocket. That's a watcher. Looking down even more, continuing to grind down. Yeah, we're seeing a lot of stocks turn up. ERAAS may turn. You gotta love it. You got to love ERAS. We're going to take a position in that one as well. EARS. Am I spelling that right? ERAAS. Sorry about that. ERAS. Let's keep it moving here. Boom. Spreads 15 cents. Damn. We're going to go 25 shares here. I am down about $3, $4, $6 so far. So we'll see if these rockets don't burn out. Again, it's had such a bad day yesterday. You would think that probably a lot of these are going to start turning over. One is because people are going to start taking profits. They need profit from yesterday. The traders do. But it looks like this could be a buy. So it's either going to be that, or it's going to be a buy the dip moment, and or buy the dip hour. So yesterday we had the last half hour we had a buy the dip last half hour, and we saw it's about 3 15-minute candles. All were really, really good, and things turned around towards the end of the day. It looks like we could have that same thing, but it started a little bit earlier today. So that tells me it could sell off. We're directionally sideways, really. XTNT grinding up 10%, guys. GBDC has turned over. That's the Bitcoin. We got Neuro on a rocket ride. Let's go. NURO. Let's go heavy here, because that could find some FOMO. The spread is getting wide. We're going 100 shares. Just see what we can do right here. All right, I'm down 10. Guys, I just went down 35. They just turned back, down 8. That's gonna be a very volatile stock. Neuro, here we go. That's our rock. I need to get back to it. Let me spin the wheel, the casino wheel, if you would. We're gonna go ahead and spin it as much as we possibly can to see if we can find some. Again, there could be rockets galore today. I just don't know if they're going to burn bright or they're going to burn out and turn over. It looks like they are continuing to seeing some really good continuing to grinders, if that makes sense. Neuro's up 13%. So as we pass it, I'm going to know that's my baseline. I wish I could trade in Robinhood, but I can't. Again, I don't. The only reason I'm using Robinhood, if you're on here, what's up, Anik? The only reason I use Robinhood if you're on here is because I can spot rockets faster. That's it. So I'm trying the Webull scanner. I have not got that figured out yet. You can see it right here. So, well, where's my scanner right here? So I'm trying. So point is let's continue to hunt for rockets. Good grinders. HRTX could turn into something big time. It's about to clear its. In fact, it's about to clear the tower. If it hasn't already, it's barely cleared the tower. Why don't we take HRTX? I'm gonna take a position here. I'm gonna take a lot of positions today and just see if I can handle it. Again, paper trading on this end. It doesn't have a wide spread. 10, it hasn't cleared the tower. So let me do this. I'm gonna move up so I can see all my positions and continue to hunt for the rockets. Yeah, it just pulled back some. HRTX did. The other rockets we will check on next time I take a position. AV looks like it is now pulled back. That's the one that we're in. Loaded 6K spy calls at the bottom. Nice, man. Good to see. We're waiting for that 315 pump. I know it's coming. It's usually about 230 or 250 my time, 350 your time. So EBSB looks like it could clear the tower very soon. CIDM is grinding. Kern, it got turned down, but this one could turn into one. Could turn. So let me grind it down, or let me roll down here pretty quick. Scroll down quickly in the casino. Roll the dice. Pull the slot, the penny slot hammer, if you would. ERAS looks like it's. Yeah, we got to jump on ERAS, right? Is that the one I already? Yeah, I've already got it. It's up one. It continues to grind. That's the one that I had. I thought it was ERSC is the one that I thought that I had. All right, let me get down here quickly. AEI may turn up. We already mentioned that one. Jim, are you seeing anything? Anik, are you seeing anything at all? PRFX. There's a lot of stuff grinding, so any of these could turn at any. Now they could ENZ. We got one going straight up. ENZ. We got parabolic. ENZ. Jumping on it now. We're gonna go. Spread is widening quickly. We need to go 50 shares in this one, and we'll see if we can't make some money. Neuro, we're up 15 bucks. We're just not up 17. Now we're down 34. That thing's really moving. ENZ, we'll see. It's got a low volume, I believe. You have 77,000 shares traded per day on average, and that is low. So we can't expect too much out of that stock. It may be stuck there the rest of the YOLO hour. We will find out shortly. All right, moving here. This is a good YOLO day. Jim, CEI, oh man, CEI it's been good for the last 3 weeks. Grinding down, not turning up yet. Did get as high as 5% though. This has been a really good stock though. Look at that, 323% the last month. Killer. That's what I like to say, because that's what it is. 300%, literally a 3x in 30 days. Joby's still grinding. Love to see it. Moving through here quite quickly. I hope you guys can see this on the screen. I'm looking at myself on the screen now. Yeah, you can see it. Neuro still pointed up. We'll see how high we can go there before we get turned down. Look at that AAPL. That's exactly what the market's doing. That's exactly what the market's done all day. It was up, then it was down, then it was up, and now it's finally up in the last hour here. So that just tells you that if you're in the let's just call it the mega cap, they're going to do what the macro does a lot of times. So if the macro's moving, which it's self-fulfilling, because when Apple and Microsoft and Netflix and Google all move, they move markets, right? So it is what it is. VBIV, we're checking on it now. VBI Max. Let's go. Oh, I thought it was going straight down. It's got to clear the tower first. It could turn though. Let's see what it's got. The volume. Keep an eye on that one, Anik, for me, and we'll continue to pull the slot machine, the casino, the penny slots and start playing a little more. Need to take a few more, but E and Z is still straight up. Neuro, we're up 3% because the base on that one was 13%, which was good to see. All right, looking now at more. I heard Nancy Pelosi, the hypocrite that she is, said that capitalism's broke. Yeah, she's worth $100 million. I don't know if it's broke. If you're worth $100 million, it's just funny coming out of her mouth. I literally just saw that quote before I went on. There's a problem with capitalism? Yeah. Problem is that you get to literally use your power and trade options on stocks that you're affecting. That's what's wrong. It's not capitalism. VBIV, yeah, it looks like it could turn, man. It's going to be close. So, all right, I'm going to scroll back up here now. FHTX, is this foghorn? Is it doing to us again? 1409, it is about to clear the tower. We had this yesterday. I mean, don't I have to jump in? FHTX, do this to us yesterday. Now, let's see what it does, though. Foghorn, big spread. I'm going to get some big slippage here, so I'm not going to go big. Where have I lost the most at? Neuro, it says I'm down, but it keeps. Joby is not grinding like it should. I'm not going to do it with Neuro because it has a lot of beta there. DWN, we're gonna sell that. We're out of that one. DW, close position. I'm not going to get beat up on that one. Neuro is narrowing its loss now, and we are back in it. Spin the casino wheel because we'll go back up to the top. Let's keep moving here. CERT looks like it is it's grinding, but it could turn over. That's what it's looking like, as per the small chart. MVIS continues to grind up. Givo has backed off. That's what's going on. Givo, where's my Givo? I'm just down 50% in that one, so we're going to hold on to that one. Continue to move here. VIH ZIOP is about to be on a rocket ship. ZIOP. That is Zeopharma. Slippage is not a lot here. 50. So I should jump in here pretty quickly here. Is there anything else I need to get rid of that's just sucking ass? E and Z is really not moving a lot. We'll go back to the casino. Of course, Zeopharma. It just looks like it turned over. VIH is. We took a position in that one though. And we've already turned. It looks like it's continuing to grind. Let's get this today. Come on, let's go. Let's get us one here. IDT grinding. CIO is grinding today. We had just a lot of good grinders today, which is what you want to see after just a horrid day. NAOVB. Let me look at something real quick. NAOVB we do not have. Let me go back and look at it. It's going to rocket up here. All right, NAOV. NAOV. I'm taking a position in, guys. I'm going to take, it depends on the slippage. It is not going to be a lot. I'm going to take 50 shares of this one, jump in that, and I'm going to get rid of some of this. ENZ has gone the wrong way. We're getting rid of that one, and we're looking strong right now. So definitely we're making some beer and pizza money today, which is good, at least for me. Tell me what you guys got it. 3:15 it is. 2:15 it is. Let's go. Let's see what we got. A&F is grinding hard. That's an Abercrombie & Fitch too. That's a semi-Reddit stock. Has it cleared the tower? It has. I'm gonna go A&F. I'm gonna take it down too. A&F, baby. Let's roll. So let's see what the slippage is. A lot. That's a big slippage, going 20. That slippage is going to kill me in that one. Joby looks like it may have turned back on me. So I'm down $4. I need Neuro to do something for me here. Let's see what it's looking at. Neuro, get on Neuro. Still up, not much. All right, back to it. Back to the grind today. Hey guys, let me know if you like me doing on both on TradingView, trading on the TradingView, and then looking for rockets on the Robinhood. Is it working for you? Is it more exciting? Is it not? Do you really even give a damn, right? Because we trying to find the stocks that are going upstairs. That's what we're looking for. Not just the grinders, looking for the rockets, or the parabolics. What we like to call the Bitcoin parabolics. By the way, crypto having a down day. Wasn't as bad as yesterday though, so hopefully it finds a bottom soon. I'm down about 200K. All right, so I need NSRP. Has it cleared the tower? It has not cleared the tower yet. So we are actually, it's cleared. It's right there at it. Inspire, it's got good volume. NSPR, we're going to take it down as well. NSPR, see if we need, what's the slippage? 15 cents. We'll take it down. 50 large. I'm going to take out Neuro now. I'm up 21 there. Took out that one. Now I'm up about 15. ERAs has gone the wrong way. Now I'm up 8. I'm going to keep what I've got right now. Back to it. Boom, it just pumped a little bit. Need to continue to pump. It does have enough volume to pump. Tegna is what a crazy ass chart that is. We're going to continue with a TGNA. We'll take that one down as well. TGNA. It's not exactly a parabolic rocket, but it's moving. The slippage is not much. Let's go 50 here as well and see what we can find. Looking over. So what I say, we're up $8. That's great. Let's and I'm not even going heavy. I'm doing like 25, 50 shares each is all. Givo looks like it might come back up. We got VIH. Didn't we have that? We don't. VIH. I'm going to jump on that one too. I like that because it could turn parabolic. That's an asset. What the freak? Does not have a. We're going to go 100 there because I think that's going to grind or turn parabolic. What am I getting rid of here? Givo's all I've got is green right now, but we're just down a couple bucks on what is on the screen now. We're up right now until I take it off the board. We're up about $8. James Hill, what's up? What's up, everybody? Anything moving? Yeah, we've got a couple positions. We just took VIH down. We just took TGNA. Our big one you actually missed. It was Neuro, N-U-R-O. We did got $21 on that one. Some of these aren't moving. Tegna looks like it's gone the wrong way. I'm now down $5. Sorry, I'm up 5. I just took that one out. So I'm now up 5. GTS, we know it can go parabolic. It has turned back though. Right at the intraday high, which we often see. Starting to see some stocks turn over. Still some grinders left out there, but stocks are starting to turn over slightly. Ones that were green are now negative. And let me get down here to the bottom and see if we can see what is cost doing. You know how much I'm a cost fan. It had not cleared the tower, and it looks like it's going directionally sideways now. Let me start moving here. Joby, we're in, but it looks like it's now moving sideways as well. So hopefully we get some profits there before I knock it off. NSPR, it turned sideways on us. That's the one that we're on now. We'll have to go fix that in just a split second. Come on, let's get us one. let's catch a fish here. Just throw that rod or just throw the bait out there. Come on, give us one. I don't need any grinders. I need some parabolic. Anybody see anything? James, Anik, Jim, have you been a long holder of CEI? We got in CEI literally 3 weeks ago. I didn't stay in long, but should have, right? All right, Kern did turn, but it's turned down now. All right, we're gonna spin the wheel again. What was that one? ZIOP, BIH. We've already got most of those. Mostly turning over. Yeah, and that's what we'll find, guys, is that we'll find in days like this when things starting to get up 2-3%, people are going to take profit because tomorrow, everybody knows what tomorrow is. The FOMC is going to make their statements. Are they going to taper? The betting odds are they're going to start to taper. NNVC on it. NNVC, I'm going to go straight to it. We're on it. Boom. Got a little bit of spread there. I'm going to buy and ask questions later. MBIS has gone the other way, I could tell. ZIOP has gone the other way or sideways on us, and we're still moving here. It was NNVC, and I thought I said it was going straight up. I thought that it had just turned. That's a grinder. Oh, it probably went straight up and then it pulled back. That's probably what happened, James. So it's still grinding. Still grinding. All right, let's find this son of a guns. What did I see? Jibo. Jibo may be a head fake in Jibo because we were actually down. That might be a slippage, but 50 shares you would think it could continue to run. Spy has a fair chance. Yeah, tomorrow AEI. Look out. Here we go. AEI. That's a good one too because that thing will. There's a lot of people that would jump on that one. The FOMO is real with this one, and it's doesn't. All right, we're gonna go big on this one because I know that stock can run if it really wants to run. All right, we just got a few. Nice AEI. Man, that thing has been a phenomenal stock for 2 months. I wonder what man, am I still seeing ZIOP's up, Fly W grinding, turnover. COTY wants to. It's pointed straight up, but it hadn't cleared the tower yet. We can look at it. Is it cleared the intraday 810? It's right there. Edit. Right there, and I don't believe in code. Well, it's got. Okay, we're gonna do it. COTY, we are in COTY. Let's see what it has turned red down the candle. I gotta get these. I gotta be able to see the candles, guys. Just a little bit. All right, what am I getting rid of here? HRTX hadn't done anything, and that was just 50 cents is all. Cody, we're going to take it out. Slippage is not much. Let's go 50 here. Let's move. Got to move. AI, NNVC. NNVC is not moving up on me. NAOV it looks like it's quit on me. Look at this chart. It's got a green candle, but it's still moved down on me. That's not good. Cody just moved down on me. Cody is the INDI semiconductor. You gotta love it. Yeah, great grinder there. That one looks like it could continue to grind. I mean, that thing's come from opened at 8% up, now 18% up, grinded 10% today. Great stock. On the 5 minute looks like it's straight up. What's up, Mercy? Good to see you, brother. Glad you're here. We had a few burners. We're up right now about $5 to ATXS, guys. It turned back. ATXS. When did it really start to get going here? It got going about 215 and went 2% up. CEI, AEI is one that we're in currently. There's a couple of more that look like they're just moving sideways for the most part. And we've got a lot of stocks that are grinding, but a lot of stocks that are turning over as well. Again, in times like this, you're just going to see people when they're up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6%. They're going to want to take profit, especially for tomorrow again, because the FOMO is going to speak. XTNT has been grinding all day, up 12%. IPWR grinding up 7%, guys. There has been some good buys out there. A lot of good grinders. Again, some are turning over right now, but that's okay. As we grind down here, continuing our look for, did Surf just go ballistic? It did. We're jumping on Surf, SURF. There was some chatter on that this morning. It's got a bit of slippage here. I'll take a decent sized position. Look at what's going on. NNVC has completely gone the fucking wrong way. Son of a bitch. Cody, I don't trust it. I'm gonna close that. So now I'm up 4. Let's see what NNVC is gonna do if I'm gonna get stuck with that one. I gotta come on. Oh, it's got a red candle. That's not good. About to go down. I bought some SPY call leaps. Yep. That's what I think Anik did the same thing. That's good. All right. NNVC looks like it might. All right. I'm down 12 in that one. That would be a killer. All right. Let me get back to it. Hopefully Surface there can save me. Let's get down here to the bottom. GBO looks like it still wants to run, so that's not the worst. Just letting you guys know. I know that I cut it. ATXS had the rock. It was parabolic. It has now done the pivot and pullback. AEI, it was up 10. That's about where we are. So hopefully that'll continue to grind up and go parabolic, which is what we're looking for. We need that nice morning wood. TLIS may provide that it did. TLIS, Talis Biomedical. We are up. The slippage is not much at all. Let's see if we can get a couple of good turns from it. NNVC, guys, is effing me bad. All right, I'm down to 3. VIH is turned down 5. Now I'm down 2. I'm down 2 with a big loser on the board. Not good. Not good. We are halfway through, though. So we'll continue. Some of those were actual grinders. That's why I don't like to grab the grinders, because those grinders in the last hour of the day, what are they going to do? Probably turn over or turn down because the sell-off's on. Nobody knows what the Fed's going to do tomorrow, but it is what it is. Frey looks like it could post up here and go. I don't trust that one. I've got to start using my head versus just moving in and out of stocks. We need a good pump here, guys. Where are the boys that are climbing the stairs on the rockets? The rocket boys. That's what we need. SPY needs to break 436 for you tomorrow for your options. Is that what you're saying? TLIS is still ballistic. Frey looks like it may have turned up. We already, I think we're still in that one actually, and we should be getting down here to the end. Kern, I don't know if I cut it or not, but it's still grinding. Surf still grinding up, which we're in. ESPR looks like it had a parabolic moment, and now it's turned back on us. Wrecker is about to go negative. REKR. If you don't know what that one is, LCI, what a great grinder, good, decent stock. That's Gannett. Grinded up 4%, almost 5% on the day. AMTX had a parabolic moment as well. AHPI is parabolic now. AHPI. Let's see if we can't catch that one. It has a crappy slippage. But I like the way it wasn't just completely parabolic yet. NNVC is completely gone the wrong way, guys. I'm going to keep it on the menu for now. I need to look at it. Bam. The bull or the Bears are in control of that one, guys. I'm losing my ace on that one. Do I take the loss now? I think I will. I'll take the loss now. I'll take the $14 loss. So now I'm down what? $15. I'm down $15. Come on, give me one, guys. I need y'all. I need the help today. I had too many of these are basically taking off and then basically start to sell off. They're doing the pivot, then the pullback. Again, don't blame them. That's what YOLO Hour is, but it's because people want to put that money in their pocket. Yesterday was a bad freaking day for everyone, and the best traders did not trade yesterday. I saw 3 on YouTube that I follow that they just walked away. One did short some stocks in the morning, and then after lunch he was done. So I think he shorted probably 4 or 5 stocks, big positions. He had 50,000 shares on one, 100,000 shares on another one, and then there was about 10,000 shares on a smaller one, but the price was actually more. So, and most of those he was had a positive day. But yeah, MSOS, don't know much about it. Oh, it's an ETF though. I'm gonna slow my roll in the ETF. That thing when did that thing take off? 215, and it 215. I'm not gonna jump on an ETF. Did we get burned? We got burned on an ETF. I believe it was either yesterday or was Friday, and I don't even know why I've got an ETF in here besides ARK just to watch them. I should not. I believe it was another ETF. So I must have a few ETFs in here. But the cannabis one there did look like it had some volume behind it. Surf continues to, it's got the morning wood. Can it grow it up though? Can it get upstairs? Can it do a praise God and move on up? We got some serious stocks swerving now, just going up and down. Basically just going directly sideways. SPY calls 5% profit. Nice. That's what I like to call it. MSOS again. That's the one we just got past. STEM is grinding, guys, hard. Almost up 5% now. Looking at LFMD, we've had this one. Oh, it turned down. Can't believe I missed that one. LFMD because it was at the very bottom. Let me move here through here pretty quick. I'm probably missing some. So many. When you got 400 plus stocks, it's tough to get down to that bottom. Boy, that was a big grinder. Is that one we already have? EBSB. No, sideways it goes. Let me look at the portfolio really quick. See where we're losing. TLS looks like the Bears might be in control of that one. And yeah, so now I'm down 22. I'm not seeing a lot of, I'm just seeing it turn down on me. AEI has turned back on me. Turning its back on the man who wanted to cash it in just a little later. Continue to move here. Down the stack we go. We're pulling the penny slot wheel. Want to get down to the bottom because I know we've probably missed a few rockets. RNAS, what's up? RNAS, we got DNAAY's cleared the tower as well too. Damn it, can't do that one. All right, I've got to get a little smarter here, guys, or a little bit more choosy. Let's just say that, not smarter, just choosier. But again, I mean, it goes parabolic. It goes up 3%. I mean, who the hell is not going to take profits today after yesterday? Surf has gone the wrong way. Solo's grinding up. Kodak, don't trust it. It is grinding though. Let's see. AHPI looks like it's turned back, but it wanted to go parabolic. Continue to look down the stack here in our stock. Again, all these stocks, if you're new here, these stocks are from Insider Plays and they're from basically Reddit stocks, or they're stocks that we've chased before that have gone parabolic. So that is why they're on our list, and we're up to 400 right now. So these are 400 of the best stocks that have pumped quite a bit before. MDIA is one that it's up 12%. Yep, can't do that one either. All right, back up to the top we go. I'm going to pull the lever of the penny, and we're going to hit the casino hard. So we get to with it triple cherries, triple sevens. That's what we're looking for here at the casino as we're moving quickly. Cost is turned back a little bit, although it looks directionally bullish right now. Joby's turned way back. I think we got out of it. Let's hope that we did, because it's going to be effing me. Continue to look here, going through this. Let me get some water as my throat's getting sore. By the way, if you're a landlord, Senator Warren wants to reinstate the federal eviction moratorium. Not sure how that's fair to a lot of people who that's their retirements, but okay. Looking through here, man, there's some grinding going on. What's going on in the market right now? Oh yeah, we're still grinding up. Nice to see. And that's why we're seeing some grinders. XL may have gone. You got turned back. Let me look at the. Man, we are down again. AHPI. I got to get this all on somehow on the same screen because I can't keep track of it. All right, we're moving. We are moving again. Anybody got some stocks to watch for tomorrow? I'm open. I think that we're going to see after YOLO Hour here, and we've got about 20 minutes left. I think that we'll see some good stocks. Didn't see any good stocks come out of YOLO yesterday, but we have seen that last week. We saw about 2 or 3 a day that came out. Well, really about 1 or 2 a day that came out of YOLO Hour. So I would expect to see a couple today, even though the FOMO-C is going to speak tomorrow. Look at Freddy's about to clear the tower. Could go parabolic, but so the overnight risk tonight is very, very great. Although the FOMO-C is not going to speak until later in the afternoon, just so you know that. So if you do want to keep, if you've got high conviction in the stock and you want to keep the stock with the overnight risk, not the worst idea. Let me just say that again. Not financial advice. Need to say that again because I'm sure someone's going to call me out that I don't know what I'm doing. I don't see any, disclaimers. All right. Well, I'm telling you. All right. We're looking here. We're still looking. CYTH looks like it's now grinding. Just seeing a lot of grinders here. They're either grinding, they're turned over, or they're negative. So take your pick, and that's what you're going to get. LZAR. Let me go down a little more. I don't think that one is going to. I think it's went parabolic for about 2 or 3 minutes, and now it's turned down. KBSB is grinding. BLDE is grinding. That's a decent stock that we've seen on YOLO Hour before as well. And as we continue to move down the stack here, things are not seeing anything go parabolic. All right, we're at the bottom. I'm going to start going back up now, and let's see if we can't get a couple here that we might have just get a couple nibbles here. That's all we're looking for. Yeah, we're seeing a lot turn down now. That little turn down is here's late LLZR. It is. You know what? I'm gonna take a shot here. I need a little bit more. Was it LAZR? AZR. Come on, man. Come on, man. All right. It looks like it's got a green candle at the top. Surface turned back on me. I am now down what? I'm down 15. Is that what I'm down? ARQQ again? Because that was yesterday, which completely believable. Oh yeah, ARQ on it. ARQQ. Let's jump on that one. Nice. Oh, big spread. That's a big freaking spread, man. That could be a. I want to go big on that one, but the spread is ridiculous. If I'd have gone 100, the spread's 210. All right, it just jumped. It is now. Actually, it's decreased. It is now about $1. $1.10, $1.20, $1.30 is what it is now. That's the spread there. Wow, it's a big freaking spread. But it looks like it's going to move. The Bears are in control there for sure. Good call, ARQ. Let's see what we can get out of that one. Looking. You are looking live at YOLO Hour, as we like to call it, the Power Hour. What else was I going to say? Today we had a lot of interesting talk on the tax front. Like I told you, Pelosi talking out of both sides of her mouth, worth $100 million, but capitalism's not working. Oh, guys, look at Visco. Hard grind. And it's about to clear the tower, but it's not parabolic. So we're going to hold off on that. We've got 17 minutes till we need to, or we've got about 15 until we start really looking at the positions. I'm sure we've had some turn back. Today, again, we're down $15. IPWR, we knew it was going to turn, and IPWR, should trust my instincts on that one. What is this? It's 30 cents. Let's see if I can jump on that for a few. How did I get a $12? $12 spread. Geez, that must have been a huge spread. 30 cents, 50. Let's see what we can do here. NAOV. What's AEI done? AI is up. Or no, it's down. You got 100 shares of that too, but it looks like it's climbing. ARQ. We're down there, but not much. 30 cents, which was a spread. It's exactly what that is. Foghorn is not. It's just being Foghorn. That's all it's doing. GGVO, we're not down hard. We are. I would tell you though that we're about even, but it looks like the Bears are in control there. I'm gonna jump out of that one. So now we're down about 17. And we're gonna that IPWR could be the death knell of us going positive. Just cause the slippage, right? Again, it's trading view. We're not gonna get good slippage, but Robinhood's the same way. We wish I could ARQQ. Yeah, James already looked. All right, so yeah, that was a good one, and we are still hanging with that one. Let's pull this casino. Let's see if we can't hit the bottom here with a couple of last-minute rockets. We got 15 minutes. 10. So at that 10-minute mark, that's where it really starts to happen for us. So we need to find some stocks that are walking upstairs fast and hard. CVM has been a rocket in the past. Definitely a Reddit stock. One that we have seen before, but it is just grinding today, which is good to see. You know, you can make in fact, that's your best bet, is to make money with the grinders on a day trade. Especially if you get on it early in the morning. Again, if you don't know the rules for as a starting out trader, one of the things is don't trade the morning, right? Wait 20 minutes, wait 30 minutes. If you can wait 1 hour, that's when I would start trading, right? Unless you've got a position that has ballooned up and it's up 15% or whatever, and you want to get out of that and take profits. Or if it's gone the opposite way, if it goes down more than 5%, we typically get out of it, right? But let the winners run and cut your losers quick. That's it. So I don't let losers go more than 5%, and I cut them, right? Now, this is YOLO Hour, and I'm not really doing any risk management. Again, not financial advice, but not really doing any risk management except when I get over there and I find some a different rocket, and we look and see if what I want to do. That was a very weird one. MDIA is back climbing again. I don't know if it's going to turn into a rocket though. So ACT, anything new, guys? Am I missing something? We're moving up the stack again, trying to find those snake eyes, the triple cherries, if you would. There's MSOS. So if we get in on MSOS, we wouldn't be up much. So I'm glad we missed that one. Continuing to move up the stack here now. Seeing some grinders, seeing the ones turn over still. Kind of the same story now. AHPI is grinding hard, guys. It's up 13% and still grinding up. So AHPI, I bet that continues. It doesn't look like it's going to sell off anytime soon. ATEC is sold completely off. Hopefully you took profits there. Gannett's grinding LCI. Let's see, what else do we have that is grinding hard? GENI is turned up. Has not cleared the tower though. Has not cleared the intraday high. APT. Didn't we have this one? APT. If we didn't, we're going to jump on it now. And Afterpay Limited. We'll take a little bit. Not a tradable symbol. Why is it not tradable on? Well, that sucks. So APT, we're in at 127. So that's the wrong one. That's the wrong APT. No wonder. So let's try it again. APT. Let me find the New York Stock Exchange. There we go. We're going to ball out on this. I went 100 because it wasn't a large spread. Looks like we just fell 0.37 is all. We're down 6. Let's see if we can catch up there. Hopefully, again, tough to do that after yesterday and with today. People want to put some cash in their pockets. You cannot blame them. All right, we're moving now. We've got to find some more. Alpha Pro, keep doing what you do, playa. Keep on moving up. SPY puts for tomorrow went up 8% in 8 minutes. Great. You might want to let those go. Say, take my profits and be happy with the day. A lot of people that did not make money today, and a lot of people did. The beta in the market. The VIX was at 23 this morning. It was at 26 yesterday, so it was down. 26 was the highest of the year, or at least the highest since May. It might have been the highest of the year. SLQT is grinding hard, up 6%, and doesn't look like it's slowing down at all. XR, we tried it yesterday, and guess what? Doing the exact same thing. It got up 7%, continues just to grind sideways. So if you're in that stock, congratulations to you. That is fairly bullish when the last 2 days market's been was down yesterday. Today it is where we sitting today. Oh, we are now having the turnover, so we are directionally sideways, and let me see what I'm doing here. iPower is going to mess me up terribly. ARQQ, look at it real quick. It looks like it's moving up. We're up almost a percentage. Keep that up. APT has done great wonders for us. We are up a percentage. We're up $8 there. We're making our way back. I'm going to take profits in ARQ. Am I going to take it? No, it's continuing to move. Let's let those stocks work. Continue to move down the stack here. Joby, by the way, the one we jumped on at the very start of YOLO Hour, is down now, is about to go negative. A lot of turnover. It's just how funny you see the market. Now you see the stocks. By the way, a stock that continues to grind up, the CRCT. I know it's a $31 stock, but guys, I'm telling you, that thing just continues to grind up. It's been doing it for maybe 2 months now. So CRCT is a good one. We continue to see insiders follow it. Insiders size up, and it's not just the C-level executives and directors. We have seen very like as of last week, a couple of big hedge funds take positions as well. Neuro has turned over on us. Frey just continues to grind, but it's turned over as well. I've got Bloomberg on here, and they be talking some politics. But now we're going to SPY. SPY prediction for tomorrow is green and growing. So just letting you know that. That's the prediction for tomorrow. It's called prediction time on the Bloomberg terminal. Not many of us have that. I certainly don't. What was that one? Frey again. When you get past Frey and get down here, ASPU got turned down as it tried to clear the tower or the intraday high. Could not do it, and 9 out of 10 will not clear the tower, and we know why. That is the point of resistance, and it's also got to be in positive territory as well. I'm really moving through here now, guys, because I've got to find some. May have to go to good grinders here but it looks like the grinders maybe turn over as well. What was that one? SNPX looks like it's up. It's already up 17. SNPX. Let's see what I've got going. Well, APT turned back on me. I wasn't watching it. This is why it's very tough to do that. ARQQ, it's up 10. I'm going to take that out. I'm now down 5. Actually, it was 13. I'm now down 2, but on the board is not looking well. APT. Give me APT. APT is, I'm down now. Gosh, it just went down too. Come on, Bulls, get in there. So, I'm going to see if we can make some. So what I'm down about 4 now. All right, let's look here. Look. Give me a grinder real quick. What have I got? 7 minutes. I really need a rocket here, guys. Does anybody got a rocket in their back pocket? Rumble. Yes. RMBL. Can Rumble save me? RMBL. Can it save me? Let's go. Oh, stupid spread. Just, I'm going to go 12 negative. 49 negative. Sorry. That's how bad that spread is. Oh my God, I just killed myself on the slippage. That is not good because I went big. Down 113. I'm down 56 and down 113. How bad would that? How bad will that get? Come on, Rumble on. What's up? That was horrible slippage. I thought Robinhood was damn bad. Holy crap. That was like $2 a share. It was so bad. I've got to look at that next time. I've got to get a handle on the slippage, right? For YOLO Hour. That is horrible. RLYB. Is it clear the tower? Yes, it has. RYLB. We'll jump on that one too and see how bad we can really get. RYBL. What was it? RL. LY. What was it? RLYB. Very, very odd ticker, but we're going to take it. Spread's 24 cents, but we're going to go big. So we could be out. Oh, down 60, 14. I may have lost, literally, guys. I may be down $100. $100, and it just turned on the rally bio. Yeah, there's no rally in the rally bio. Let me just tell you that now. That boy is directionally sideways now. Rumble just, the slippage, just $60 in slippage. Again, it's paper trading on TradingView, so I'm guessing that's probably it. I know you're supposed to hook your own broker into TradingView. I think they have a default one. I don't know what that is though. So that was fucking horrible. And I'm gonna have to get AVTE. Can it save me? AVTE. Let's see what we've got here. AVTE, and we're buying. The slippage is not horrible at all. We'll go 1,000 shares. Just see what it can do. I'm down 94 on Rumble. Let's see what it's doing. I'm down 2.7%, and there is no way I'm catching that one. I am done. 100. I'm out. I am now down 104. RYBL. I'm down 2.69. That one's not getting any better. I'm now down 134. Should have taken profits on NAOV before. I was up in that one. Now I'm down 137. iPower, it has climbed back. APT, I'm down directionally 1%, but it is falling. AEI, stick with that one. AVTE, I'm only down 7%, but I got 3 minutes left here, and I don't really want to carry over, so we'll continue to roll out here just a little longer. Good gosh, that is not good. SNSE looks like it's going to finish strong, guys. So that's been a decent stock as well. What was that, Rocky? UGRO, I believe that's a it's lighting. URGO. It looks like it's turning back now, though. I need URGO. UGRO. Well, wasn't meant to be. Let me see. What was it? So there's basically 150. AEI, I'm going to keep that one for tomorrow. So I'm not going to book that one yet. I'm at 150. I'm down 150. iPower is actually coming down backwards. I'm going to jump out of that one, down 170. And I'm going to lose 160. I am down 160 today. One of my worst defeats, and that's what happens when you go big, or at least big like big in YOLO Hour. I should just concentrate on one stock. I think the key here is that you get you 2 rockets, and again, you guys can watch them all or watch the 2 that you pick. If you go down 5, you get out. If it continues to run, you just add to the position, and that's what I did not do today. ATXS looks like it is now grinding up. So that was one that we had. It pivoted and pulled back, and now it's up again. So that's going to end up. So here, let me show you some ones that are going to end up going into after hours that are grinding. CODX, we've got there's one. ERAS, we had that one as well. I'm going to grind up in that one. GBDC looks like it's recovered a little bit. You've got a good grinder in LXU. Got a great grinder in Frey, FREY. It looks like it's almost parabolic. Too late to jump into that one. And APT is doing something weird. I'm not sure you want to jump into that one. B cells grinding. That's a decent stock. Looking if I've got any grinders for you guys as we jump in. We're about 20 seconds away here. CLSD grinding. MSOS, that's the ETF though. Sophie's turned over. BSQR grinding. Verb grinding. VERB grinding. Oh, there's a good grinder. DARE, that's Dare Therapeutics. Been decent all day. KVSB gonna finish up. BEKE grinding up, $16 stock, and seeing a lot of just going sideways. And we're at the end, and it is over. We are done. So let me see what I've got here on tap. I'm down 170, boys. Down 170. Power hour did not pay off for me today. That sucks. So with that being said, that's the way that we will end it. Typically, I need to do a lot more risk management. It's really what I got to do here, and to get that better. But when I start betting 50, 25, 100 shares a couple times, that is what you get. So with that being said, I want to say goodbye to all my boys out there. Jim Cooper, thank you very much. Anik, thank you very much. JV, didn't know you were on. Thank you very much for joining. James Hill, always a pleasure, sir. Mercy, love you, brother. Did not see any rockets from you. I guess you were busy today. And with that being said, guys, thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for chatting along with me. It has been fun. We will do it again tomorrow as we do same day, same time and same place. I'll see you tomorrow. That being said, guys, you have a great night. Cheers to you guys, and watch your six, go hard in the paint. We'll see you next time.